Nice. Right. Here we are on another site. This is a full network refresh. All this Fortinet stuff is going in. All of this Cisco stuff is coming out. It's a bit sad because I like Cisco stuff. I'm Cisco trained, so I'm certified. That's why I like Cisco. And I really despise Fortinet. Anyhow, so I'm going to be taking out these two switches and this router. And I just wanted to make note of all of the really nice cabling that's been done. I don't know what it's like in the actual ceiling. Might pop up a few tiles and have a squeeze. But anyway, all the patch panels are labeled, and they even took the time to label A on each port, a log here as well as a label there. That is awesome. And these really good quality cables. So these are Cat 6A shielded foil twisted pairs. So good luck getting a trace on that. But they've labeled each cable at multiple sections. You can see, I probably might not be able to see on camera, but you can see they've definitely labeled each cable going in, which is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And they've got conduits and trays and stuff. It's beautiful. Alright. So, whoever did this at Blackwell Funerals, you're awesome. So, all these ones do not really matter. When they go in, they should all be grouped into the same. But I'm just going to grab my tape and do some quick labels anyway. So these are just temporary labels, so I know where to place them on the new one. That is port 2. This is the uplink. That's a nice cable. With the Cat 6A. Ooh, nice. Hey, good job on this one, man. Fuck. Fantastic. So I've labeled that one, where that one's going. I really should maybe group these or put them to the side. Just so I'm going to put them in switch 2. Yes, switch 2. Nice. Easy. It's not going to be too hard to keep it out of my way. I can always just pop it in there like that. Temporarily. Done. What's that one there? Office desk. So, I mean, that's the router. So let's just quickly grab that. And booyaka-cha. Booyaka, booyaka. And we'll put RTR for router, and we'll unplug you. Yeah. So let's go with taking this one out first. Dude. Nice. So easy. This is going to be a bit on the shit side, but dude, this driver is amazing. Ah, beautiful. Alright, let's see, here we go, that one. Sorry, Cisco. Oh wow, massive heat sinks on the back there. Ah, yep. Good old Cisco, huh? Where am I going to put this stuff? Yeah, for the time being, I'll just put them up there. It's hefty things there. I'll chuck them in the box in a minute. And let's go for this router next. Thing. Or actually, I will go for this. That's a bit weird. Good thing is I can repurpose all of these screws. Nice. Epic. Okay. And I will repurpose the cables too. Nice. Little Cisco. That's one laser product. Oh, look at. Didn't realize you had little SFPs. What? Oh, SFPs on the side there. Very cool. Yeah. I wonder if they'll let me buy them. Alright, let's take it. Tops. Okay. Oh, this has got awesome rack ears on it. And so you'll just lift up and out. Nice. So we've got two there, don't we? Let's just go back and have a squeeze here. So that one was the one that's plugged into the switch, which is going to the top. This is the uplink, and that was the one to the wall. So let's take that one out. I'll place you just up there, and that one out as well. Yeah. There goes the G00. Oh man, oh wow, boss. This is a 1921. Dude, it's quiet as well. I will ask them what they want to do with it. I expect to leave it here for them to do with it. But, where's my label maker? I'm going to trace it first, and then I will label it. Get my tracers, which I won't be able to do with that one. I will need this one because it's already terminated, but I'll need the probe. Look at this stuff I have to take. So much stuff. So much stuff. That's what you do, though. That is what you do. Is that something? I don't know. Okay. Huh. Says there's a short, but there's no short, it's just because it's plugged in to something, but I'll... Okay. I may not get anything. Let's just unplug that. Because it's full. Yep. Wow, that's amazing. So you can't trace because it's a foil, it's a shielded and foil twisted pair. Wow. That's interesting. Yeah, so you... How the hell do you trace those? That's insane. Just want to test the cable. It was obviously working before, but I just want to test it again just to make sure. Just to prove that it's working. Hey, it tells you shielded. Nice. Nice. That tells me it passes, which is good. Photo that anyway. Okay. Cool. Yes, it tells you it's shielded. That's really cool. Alright. I'll take him off over there. Plug him back into where he was. There. Okay. So we have confirmed that is the right cable. That was the whole point of that. Just to make sure. I should put this on my head. Yeah. And we'll put Telstra TU 1. And I write the word port 1. It says E. And port 1, space, spaces. And then we go Telstra, oh fuck's sake. NTU, port 1. And we'll just go a little bit smaller and print. Alright. Aren't I a nice person? Sort of. Sometimes I am. Actually, most of the time I am. Which is why life sucks. Okay. So, just pop him in the middle there. That, and don't be a jerk. And there's a bit of a jerk. Oh, I was trying to pop one. There you go. Right, so now we have to unplug these switches and the router. So we can plug those, and then we can set up the mounting kit for this guy. All right. All right. So, whoops, he doesn't go that way, he goes that way. Nice. And one screw. Oh, give me the fucking screw, you twat. There we go. 2 screws. Yeah. Screwdriver. This one's already labeled. Fantastic. Perfect. Screwdriver might be a bit too big. Yep. Screwdriver's too big. That's alright. I've got this guy. Phillips. Small Phillips. Perfect. Hey, look at that. Easy. I may have complained a bit about doing this particular job, but yes. So what we'll need to do here is run a little patch lead, because the WAN can go straight into the back of this. Uplink from there needs to go. Hey, that was a nice. Hold on a second. No, that's it. Cool. Very nice, very nice. The power supply going to be a problem because they have not included the other type of power supply. No, I haven't. That's interesting. Whatever. I'll do that deep breath in thing again. And I can just stay there. Don't know whether that bothers them. What is going on there? And make sure I put that into the USB there. Yay! Well, how do these hang out? It's just ridiculous. Can we do that? Oh, that's stupid. Oh, fuck off, for God's sake. Yeah, whatever. Yes, what they did give me in Shah, a couple of these guys. Hell yeah, oh perfect. Absolutely perfect. Nice. So, we're doing that. So what we can do, A1 firewall, okay. So A1, haven't set as a firewall, which is that one there. Which means we can plug one of these guys in. Perfect. Question is, should I cable tie like that to avoid it being pulled apart? Yeah, it shouldn't be pulled apart, that'll be fine. And so I'll put the firewall at the top, switch and switch. Oh, actually no, it has to be switch and switch, yeah, because the cables will not reach otherwise, so, yep. Firewall must go at the bottom. Wicked. Cool. Ah, so he's in there and he's solid. Fantastic. Oh, I haven't put the ears on it yet. Oh crap. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. It's weird when there's people in here. There's a little trick I should have done. Yeah, there's a little trick you can do, and that is if you put a screw in the bottom underneath, right, it'll actually hold this in place. Yeah. Know what I mean? Yeah, there you go. Oh. Why do I think there was a spare for some reason? Yeah, fantastic. Yep, switch to. Nice. Okay, let's get those guys in. One. Right there. 789. Epic. That's what he's got. So let's just put them back the way they were. That's 4. That's 2. And I'll tell him that AV is on 13. That should be everything connected there. How can I get 91 megabit per second on this website, but 668 on this site? Speed tests are unreliable. Let's label these wireless access points. One. See, if the camera was on my head, I wouldn't have to worry too much about that. Yep. Let's grab the other labels. So when you've got cabling on the walls, that's really good. You have to match it, especially with everybody's cool labeling and stuff. Good labeling. That's Cat 6. Cool. Nice.